Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine. Good. I'm also good. So, yesterday we had started our chapter number 6, plants. Today we are going to continue. Today is day 2 of chapter number 6, that is plants. Okay. So, before continuing our class or before going for discussion about about anything, we should know the learning objective of this class. Okay. So today's learning objective is to introduce different habitats of plants. Okay. When you, I think around you, if you will see, you can find the different type of plants which we had discussed yesterday. Today, just you see कि all plants are growing in the same type of place. Like अगर आप शिमला जाते हो, if you go to the mountain, you see different type of plants. And if you go to some coastal area, समुद्र के किनारे जाते हो, तो you will find different type of plants. Okay. And if you go to the, if you are going to some Rajasthan, जयपुर जाते हो, तो there is desert ना, तो वहाँ पे you will find different type of plants. So area depending upon the place, also the place, their climate, their weather, also we have different type of plants. Okay. So the place where the plants are growing and the condition and weather, climate are favorable for those plants, that is called their habitat. Okay. So you cannot grow a mango tree in a desert. You cannot grow a neem tree in water. Okay. You cannot grow a lotus on land. होता है ना, लोटस को आप लैंड पे नहीं ग्रो कर सकते, दैट विल ग्रो इन वाटर ओनली. कैक्टस ओनली कैन ग्रो इन डेजर्ट. ओके. कोकोनट ट्री आप माउंटेन में नहीं लगा सकते. माउंटेन्स एरिया के पाइन जो है, माउंटेन एरिया के जो प्लांट्स हैं, द प्लांट्स विच आर ग्रोइंग ऑन माउंटेन्स, यू कैनॉट ग्रो इन अ कोस्टल एरिया. ओके. आप उसको कोस्टल एरिया में ग्रो नहीं कर सकते. तो प्लांट्स आर हैबिचुएटेड, दे आर making the changes, they have the changes to adopt the surrounding. Okay. So that is called their habitat. Whatever the surrounding is there, how in that surrounding or environment or a place where the plant is comfortably growing, that is their habitat. Okay. So now we will be seeing that different type of habitats. We had the 5 type of plants. Now we are having the 5 type of habitats also. Okay. So the first one is terrestrial plants. Okay. The second one is mountain plant. The third one is desert plant. Fourth one is water plant, and the fifth one is coastal plant. Okay. So we are coming to the first habitat of the plant, that is terrestrial. मतलब लैंड. टेरेस्ट्रियल मतलब होता है लैंड प्लांट्स. ठीक है. जो जमीन पे ग्रो करते हैं, जो हमारे आसपास ग्रो करते हैं यहाँ पर. ओके. सो टेरेस्ट्रियल प्लांट्स दे ग्रो ऑन लैंड, लाइक मैंगो ट्री है, नीम ट्री है. ओके. दे आर बिग, स्ट्रॉन्ग, एंड दे हैव द कैरेक्टर्स, फीचर्स टू grow on the land. Okay. To grow on the land, they are called the terrestrial plants. Okay. Now we have the second one, mountain plants. When we go to the mountain, we can see that the leaves are very sharp. They are coated with wax. Okay. So they are adopted to grow in the mountain. But if you see a pine tree, okay, pine tree is having very needle-like leaf. Those leaves are coated with wax so that snow is not going to harm them. Okay. A lot of oxygen is there, so needle-like leaves will also get the good amount of carbon dioxide and oxygen for their survival. Okay. तो वो gases भी वो आराम से ले सकते हैं, and they grow on mountains. They need less water also. Okay. Now the example is pine. Now I am going to the desert plants. Okay. When we go to the Jaipur, अगर जयपुर जाएंगे तो हमको क्या दिखता है? We see cactus. Okay. Cactus is having thick stem which is storing the water. Okay. And their leaves are converted into the thorn or the scales. Okay. छोटे छोटे स्केल्स में दैट विल बी कन्वर्टेड, थॉर्न में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, एंड मॉडिफिकेशन हो जाता है. लीफ इज मॉडिफाइड. लीफ जो होता है वो बदल जाता है थॉर्न में एंड स्केल में. and by this they can save the water. वाटर ट्रांसपिरेशन नहीं होता, उसके बॉडी से वाटर नहीं निकल पाता. एंड द stems are thick, they are coated with wax, so they also store water, and they have really long very long root. Okay, उनका रूट इतना लंबा होता है कि वो बहुत नीचे जा कर के and then also they get the water. Okay, ठीक है, तो they get the water. Okay, so to absorb water, their roots are really long and they go down deep into the earth and absorb water. So they are adopted. They have modified their body to grow in desert. Okay, so desert में grow करने के लिए when they are adopted, they have these characters. Wax on the stem. The stems are thick, spongy, having storage of water, and the leaf is converted into thorn and a scale, so that transpiration of water is checked. Okay, रोका जा सके. Okay, so these plants grow in the desert with very less amount of water in a hot season, in a hot weather. Okay, and hot and dry weather also. There water is not there, so the weather is dry also. And the example is cactus. Okay, now we have water plants and the plants which grow in water, like lotus is there. They are also having the leaves which are coated with wax, so that they don't get spoiled. The leaves don't get spoiled being in water also. बहुत देर तक पानी में रहने से जो नॉर्मल प्लांट्स के, हमारे टेरेस्ट्रियल प्लांट्स के लीव्स होते हैं वो सड़ जाती है ना बेटा. बट हैव यू सीन दैट व्हाट द लीफ ऑफ लोटस इज गेटिंग स्पॉइल्ड? वो खराब होता है? नहीं होता है ना. तो दैट इज बिकॉज वैक्स इज कोटेड एंड दैट सेव्स द लीव्स फ्रॉम द वाटर. ओके, they have really large big leaves, and that is coated with wax also from the downside. Okay, and they are adopted to grow in the water, so their root is very fibrous root होता है, जो कि बहुत ही छोटा सा होता है, because they are in water. They don't need much water. They don't need big root to absorb water from deep inside. Okay, so these plants are adopted to be in water, to grow in water. They have modified their body parts to grow in water, and the example is lotus. Okay, now we have coastal plant. Coastal area आपको बताया था कि वो समुद्र के पास, सी के पास, जो the area near to the sea is known as coastal area. समुद्र के पास वाली जगह को हम coastal area बोलते हैं. ठीक है, so the place near the sea are called the coastal area. There the weather is humid. Okay, hot and humid. So there what happens, the plants grow in coastal area. They are the coconut. Okay, they are also having a small root only, and generally they have one stem only. Okay, these plants are also adopted to grow in a salty water. Okay, they need the salty things to grow up. Okay, generally if you put a salt on a terrestrial plant, it will die, but there they need the salty water also. Okay, so terrestrial plant, example of coastal plant is coconut tree. कोकोनट जो है वो समुद्र के पास वाली जगह में ग्रो करता है ना. सो कोस्टल प्लांट का एग्जाम्पल इज कोकोनट ट्री. ओके, so as you can see here, different habitats of plants. I have discussed with you 5 different type of habitats. That is terrestrial plants होते हैं, mountain plants, desert plant, water plant, coastal plants. ठीक है, तो these are the. So we will be reading this page number 67. In this we have where do plants live. Okay, so before this I have made you understand that what type of weather, what type of condition is favorable for which type of plants. Okay, so we will be reading this page number 67 now. So students, last class we had completed types of plant. Today's topic is where do plants live. Okay, on page number 67 we will be reading this, where do plants live. Okay, the habitat of a plant is the place where it lives. Plants live in all places on the earth where they can find soil, sunlight, air and water. So for growing a plant, what we need all soil, sunlight, air and water. And if these things are present, the plant grow in that area on the earth. Okay, they live in desert, forests, mountains, and even in and under the water. Okay, so here we very first cactus plant is given. We will read about it. Cactus plants grow in hot, dry desert. These areas receive very little rainfall. Okay, now we have cactus trees grow in coastal areas. These areas are hot and humid. Okay, the coastal plant, coconut plant grows over here. Coastal trees or plants we can find over here. Now we have the mango tree. Mango tree grows in plains. Okay, plains में grow, land पे grow करता है, plains में grow करता है. Okay, then we have the pine tree. These are the mountain plants. Pine tree is a mountain plant. Pine trees grow on cold, dry mountains that have heavy snowfall. Then we have the lotus plant. You can see the lotus flower. Okay, a lotus plant grow only in water. Okay, so this is a water plant. After this will come, and we have the plants found in a particular environment may not survive in a different set of environmental conditions. So this is page number 68, and we are reading about it. Now we will be doing let's try to. We will do let's try to match the plants with the places where they usually grow. Okay, so we can see this is a cactus plant, this one is a mountain plant, this is a water plant, this one is a land plant or terrestrial plant, and this is a coconut plant. Okay, so this desert plant will grow in a hot and dry desert. So C से इसको मैच करेंगे हम. ठीक है. Then this one is a mountain plant. So mountain plants will be mountains, it's written over here, so we'll match with E. Then lotus is a water plant, so it's growing in a pond, so we'll fix its house in pond. Okay, then this is a land or terrestrial plant. This is grow in a hot plains. Okay, so we can match B with the terrestrial plant. Then this one is a so students, now you can see that I have made a PPT. You have to invert your mobile to see this chapter 6 plants and habitat of plants. Okay, so the very first terrestrial plants are there. This you can see a big tree. It's a big tree. The plants that grow on land in plain area are called terrestrial plants. Examples are mango tree, neem tree and banyan tree. Okay, so this is a terrestrial plant. Then next one is mountain plants. Plants that grow on cold, dry mountains that have heavy snowfall are called mountain plants. Example is pine. You can see that heavy snowfall is there, and it's a cold and dry mountain area. So these plants that grow in this habitat, they are called the mountain plants. Okay. Then desert plants. Okay, you can see the cactus plant over here. Plants that grow in hot, dry desert area are called desert plants. These areas receive very little rainfall. Example is cactus, casuarina, all these things. Okay, so the plants which can grow in a desert, they are called the desert plants, and their habitat is desert only. Next one is water plants. The plants grow in water are called water plants. For example, lotus, water lily, etc. Okay, the plants, some plants habitat is water. They grow in water. Okay. and they are called the water plants. Now coastal plants, the plants which are growing in the near the coastal area. Okay, I have written also plants that grow in coastal area, land near the sea, where the weather is not is hot and humid, called coastal area plants. Example is coconut. Okay, so with this this PPT is over, and now I hope that you understood the different type of habitats for a plant, and please save the trees, they will save you. Okay, so children, we have done the reading part, and we have done the let's try to also. Okay, now we know that how to do the let's try to also. So before with this I am going to complete this class, and before that I am going to tell you once again, we have 5 different type of habitats of a plant. Terrestrial plants, the plants which grow on land, and they are adapted to this situation, this type of weather, climate, sunlight and water conditions. Okay, so mountain plants, they grow in a mountain, and they can grow in a cold, dry and area where a lot of snowfall is there. Okay, cold, dry and snowfall wale area maybe they grow. Then we have the desert plant which grow in a hot and dry weather, where the water, a very less amount of water or no water is present. Okay, so now the fourth one is water plants. So plants which grow in water are called the water plants. Okay, and then we have the coastal plants. Coastal plants are growing coastal in a coastal area, that means near the sea, the land which is near the sea. These coastal plants grow over there, and the examples also I told you. Terrestrial plant example is mango and neem. Mountain plants example is pine, and desert plant example is cactus, and water plant example is lotus, and coastal plant example is coconut tree. Okay, so make the plants and show their habitat also. Okay, it's been given in your textbook. You can get a picture and paste it also, no problem. Okay, so have a good day. With this I am going to close this class, end this class. Okay, so good day, stay home, stay safe, and don't disturb your parents, and what else, goodbye, have a nice day.